Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to talk about the concept of condonation of delay. So, condonation of delay means that extension of time given in certain cases provides that there is sufficient cause of such delay. Under section 5 talks about the extension of the prescribed period. In certain cases it provides that if the appellant or the applicant satisfies the court that he had the sufficient cause to not prefer the appeal or application within that period, such appeal or application can be admitted after that prescribed time. Basically, we put the condonation of delay application once the prescribed time period has been over. It can only be put in the court if there is genuine reason or there is sufficient cause of which the condonation of delay application has been put. So, in this case, had sufficient cause to prefer the appeal or an application within that particular period. Such appeal or application can be admitted after the prescribed time. This section further mentions that an application made under any provision of the order 21 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 5 of 1908, the explanation states that in ascertaining or computing the period prescribed when the applicant or appellant has been misled by any order, practice or judgment of the High Court, it will be a sufficient cause within the meaning of this particular section. However, if a party does not show any cognate ground for delay, then the application, suit or appeal will be rejected by the court immediately. So, as in the case of State of Kerala versus KT Shaduli Yusuf, the court held whether or not there is sufficient cause of condonation of delay. The question of fact depend upon the circumstances of a particular case. So this is the concept of condonation of delay, when we put the condonation of delay application and how we put the application of condonation of delay. I hope you are clear with the concept of condonation of delay. If not, then do let me know in the comment section and I'll clear all your doubts regarding this particular topic. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.